Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through our latest 2019 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. So starting off in the bow of the 175 Sport Dorado from Scout, we've got a nice bow rail, designated space for your anchor locker, large bow cushion, and beneath the bow cushion we have a large finished out storage area that's also drained. Really comfortable built-in lounge seats in front of both consoles. We have 2 speakers forward, and beneath each console seat, we have finished out and drained storage areas. Moving towards the cockpit, we've got stainless grab rails on both consoles along with a windshield. Starting off on the driver's side, both consoles have a nice non-skidded area for your electronic devices. We've got an adjustable steering wheel, digital gauges from Yamaha, as well as trim tabs. We've got a cup holder and a Fusion stereo. We've also got 2 more speakers here in the cockpit. Both captain's chairs swivel 360 degrees. We've also got lockable glove box storage on the port side console and cup holders. We do have the bimini top equipped, along with a ski tow option. Beneath the aft seats, we've got finished out storage to port and space for your batteries to starboard. This boat is equipped with the upgraded 115 horsepower motor from Yamaha, along with trim tabs. Again, I'm Carl Anderson. That's a walkthrough of our 2019 Scout 175 Sport Dorado. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our Facebook page. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.